You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this dragon's name from Fourth Wing. If you want to learn more character names that are very confusing from the books and the series, make sure to stay tuned. I've got them all for you here. Stay tuned. The Scottish Gaelic pronunciation, Aotrom. Aotrom. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Aotrom. Aotrom. It's easy once you know Aotrom, and now you know. How have you been pronouncing it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.